people, welcome back to Will's Kitchen Table. Guys, it's morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Guys, today I'm gonna make some plantain porridge. It's a quick tip of how to make you plantain porridge, guys. It's green plantain. I'm gonna peel it, throw it in my blender, right in the pot. Really simple and easy, guys. Everyone make their plantain porridge differently. I'm just going to show you guys a quick way of getting it done. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Guys, I got my plantain right here, nice and washed and dry. I'm just peeling this right now. You know, the green plantain is a bit, a little bit stainy, a bit harder to peel. So if you want to put on the gloves, you can put on the gloves. If you don't want the stain all over your hands, you can do it that way. Right? I'm gonna get my plantain porridge ready. And just one plantain I'm using, guys. One plantain in the pot. Just dice that up. Put a little blender right here. Pour that in. Just gonna put just enough water to blend it, guys. That's about a cup of water. Should be okay. Guys, that should be good. Fully blended. Alright guys, it's now to get it in the pot. Alright? So you can use a spoon, you can use a whisk. I'm just gonna pour it right inside. I'll take you guys over to the pot. Alright, got the pot right here, boiling. About 2 cups of water going. I put a teaspoon of salt in there. I'm just gonna pour this right inside. Get a bit of it out. You can use a spoon, as I said. I'm just using a whisk. Just to stir it. It's a similar way of making your banana porridge. The cornmeal porridge, you gotta stir it the moment you put it in. Keep on stirring so it doesn't get lumpy. And you can feel that start getting nice and thick already. You don't have to add any flour to this, guys. No flour. The plantain will get nice and thick in the pot as soon as it starts boiling again. We're gonna let that come to a boil, guys, and we're gonna keep on stirring, and we're gonna add some cinnamon, some vanilla to that, and we're ready to eat. So guys, look how thick that is getting already. Wow. See that? Nice and slurpy. That's the texture you're looking for. Just turn this down, put it in low. Plantain doesn't take too long to cook. I got some nutmeg here, guys. I'm gonna grate some nutmeg, about a teaspoon to go inside. Or if you guys have nutmeg already grated, you can use it. That's about a teaspoon I'm putting in there. I got a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon here. Guys, you can't put too much of the cinnamon powder. It will be too strong. If you have cinnamon stick, you can pour it in, put it inside. Alright? So I'm just gonna stir in the cinnamon right now. Pour the vanilla right in. And that's a teaspoon of vanilla I'm using. Nutmeg. Okay guys, so the cinnamon is in. Cinnamon is in. I get tongue tied right there, guys. Cinnamon is in, and vanilla and the nutmeg. We're just gonna let this cook for roughly about 10 more minutes, and we should be good to sweeten this. Guys, I use some condensed milk to sweeten it. You guys could use just sugar, brown sugar, whatever you like. I also add brown sugar and the condensed milk, so it's like half and half balance, right? But you guys can use whatever you have for your sweetener, honey, whatever your taste buds like, guys. Use it up. I'm just using condensed milk and some brown sugar. So let this sit for a good 10 minutes, guys. We're gonna put it off and have some plantain porridge. So guys, right now I'm just gonna add some brown sugar to this, and also some condensed milk. And I said, guys, you sweeten to your taste. All right. Just gonna stir this until it gets nice and rich. Look at that. Beautiful. Pretty simple. Green plantain porridge, guys. Green plantain. Love it. Just like the green banana. It's the same steps. And you can add more plantain. I use 1 plantain for this, but you can add a little bit more plantain if you want. You can use 2. It depends how rich you want it to be, how thick you want it to be. You add some more plantain to it. That's fine. Okay, and my porridge is ready. All right, we're gonna have a taste. Okay guys, so the porridge is ready. I got mine in a bowl right here. See that? Nice and thick and rich. Not too thick, but as I said, you can make it a little bit thicker if you want it. Just add an extra plantain to that, and it will be nice and rich for you guys. All right, let's try it. Really hot though. Wow, you can taste that green plantain inside. Really strong. Yep. Wow, that's nice and soothing. It tastes really good. You can taste the bit of cinnamon, the nutmeg, the vanilla comes out. It stands out, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, share it with your friends, your uncle, your auntie, and guys, please hit the notification bell so you can know when I post a new video. Please guys, thumbs up all the time. All right guys, thanks for watching.